Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. So my beautiful viewers, I wanted to take a moment to share with you my exciting news. I have recently launched a new YouTube channel called Mother Fashion where I will be sharing fashion content from around the world. On my channel, you will get to see the latest fashion trends and styles from American women, French women, English women and women from all over the world. From street style to haute couture, I will be covering it all. I would love for you to join me on this fashion journey and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get to see new content every week, including fashion tips, trends, reports and style inspiration for women for all ages and backgrounds. So if you are passionate about fashion as I am, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion today. Let's explore the world of fashion together. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, join me on Mother Fashion as we explore the iconic style of Kate Middleton. From her stunning wedding dresses to her chic everyday outfits, Kate's fashion sense is always on point. In this video, we will dive into some of her most memorable looks and show you where to find similar dresses and outfits. Whether you are a royal fan or just a fashion lover, you won't want to miss this video. So subscribe to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. Let us know in the comment below what do you like to see next. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, you can see here American woman, Belgian woman, France woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. So today we are talking about one of the most stylish royals, Kate Middleton. From elegant gowns to chic everyday outfits, Kate's fashion sense is always on point. Let's dive in and explore some of her most iconic looks. Who can forget Kate's stunning wedding dresses designed by Birde for Alexander, MC Queen. This lace gown is a masterpiece, and let's not forget to her iconic red carpet looks like this gorgeous Jenny Peckham gown. Kate's dresses are always a hit and we can't get enough for them. But Kate's style is not just limited to formal events. Her everyday outfits are always chic and relatable. From classic trench coats to stylish sneakers, Kate's wardrobes tapless are must-have for any fashion lover. And the best part, you can recreate her looks without breaking the bank. So where you can find dresses like Kate's, from high-end designers like Alexander, MC Queen to affordable options like Zara and H&M. There is something for every budget, and don't forget to check out online retailers like Net-a-Porter and ASOS for a wide range of stylish options. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, thanks for watching. Lovelies, if you are new here, consider subscribing to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content. We upload new videos every day, from fashion tips and trends to product reviews and hauls. And if you have any requests for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. So my beautiful viewers, I hope you enjoy this video. So my beautiful viewers, if you want to buy this dresses, you can visit any online store. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of videos do you like in future. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers on my channel, I share my passion for fashion and beauty. From stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews, I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks from home decor to pretending advice to help you live your best life. So my goal is to create a community where you can all share our love of fashion and beauty and sport and inspire each other. Subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos and join the conversation. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I wanted to take a moment to tell you about my amazing YouTube channel again. Mother Fashion. If you are a fan of fashion, beauty and lifestyle content, then you are in the right place. On Mother Fashion, I share my passion for fashion and beauty with you. From stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks. From home decor to pretending advice. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, my goal with Mother Fashion is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and sport and inspire each other. I believe that fashion is for everyone regardless of age, size or a style, and I strive to make my content inclusive and retailable. So if you are looking for a daily dose of a fashion inspiration, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit that notification bell. I upload new videos, new content every day, so you will never miss a thing. So thanks you again for watching, and I will be see you in the next videos. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box, what do you like in my videos and which type of videos do you like in future? My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please share this video with your family and friends. My beautiful viewers, Kat's true fashion icon and a role model for women of all ages. Her fashion journey is a statement to her confidence and a personal style. She is a true fashion inspiration and a must follow for any fashion enthusiast. So don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest content. We upload daily videos, so be sure to check back soon for more fashion, beauty and lifestyle inspiration. Thanks for being part of Mother Fashion community. We love having you here. Stay tuned for more world fashion content, including this.